Let's remove the battery of a 2015 Malibu. Let's remove this case. You can lift up on it. You might have to use both hands, and then you expose the battery. Next, remove the negative post. Take this off. Next, pull this clip up like that, and then pull this out. Let me show you. There you go. And pull this up. Okay, you can grab it from underneath, pull it up, and take it out. Next, go to the positive and open that up. Okay, I lost the screw by accident, so I'm gonna have to go get one, but make sure you take that off. See this cable right here? Release it. Remove it out of there. You might have to take some clips out, but just push it to a side. Next, let's open this case up. Okay, there's a clip on the side, and you should be able to just move it open like this. Next, pull this tab out and pull this out. Disconnect that. Take off this, this, and this. Before you can finally remove that battery, make sure you remove this screw right there on the positive. If this casing gets stuck, that is because there's these clips on the side. All you have to do is pull up and then you can unclip it. Finally, this one screw, if you have a wall panel right here, just make sure you take that off and then you're free to take out your battery after that.